Hey guys, it's Butteryfingers Gaming here, and today I'm going to be playing with Cuteness Animal Jam, but we're actually going to be playing a game in Animal Jam called Wind Rider, right? I'll host it, okay? But just to tell you, we're only doing one round, right? Uh-oh. Okay, Cuteness just got hit, I saw. On YouTube, she told me her username, so that's how I found her. Okay, dodge all of these. I didn't get hit yet. I'm really good at this game, I think. Whoa! Oh no, 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 no. Oh no! I'm so in front of you, Cuteness. So I think I'm actually kind of better than Cuteness at this. Yay. Bye, guys.